So we're going to see how you can use your mobile phone to convert your images to video on your Android phone or your Apple phone. Click on Play Store. If it's your Apple phone, you click on Apple Store and click on your search bar. Type Peak Motion and click on it on your phone. It opens. So we already have this installed on this phone. Just click open. So you have different features for you have flow, you have fashion, you have camera that to convert. Click on this plus sign, an image. You click on this image. So yeah, this is the custom. You're going to determine. If you see, we have different custom image here. You have Instagram, you have Facebook, you have Twitter, which is you have Pinterest, you have Facebook cover, you have YouTube 6.9 inch, and so like that. So we choose the YouTube image. So the clip we have the clip this way. So see this sign. So we actually have this image now. So we're now going to see how we can add some elements to this picture, this image. So let's animate. So we have the curve here. So we're going to put this, let the river move direction. As you can see, the river is still here. But in this image, we're going to use it so that it will move. So next, let us add some effects to it. You can see the river is moving. River is moving. Animate. You can increase the speed of the movement. River. Increase the speed here. So let's make it 10. So let's go to effects. We have we have we have the overlay. Let's put some rain here on it. So and then there are dispersion. So we can leave that. Then we'll put some camera movement. See how the camera movement is. We can use this. So now this sticker we can add some. Let's add we'll add some birds flying just. There are others we can also add here. We can only add you know, that's that. So we're done with that. Click play. You can see the river moving, the images are there. Then you can add music here, add sound. This is the volume, this is the music, then effect to it. You can see here you have to uh, see music you can add to it, then stuff like that. When you are done, click export. You have to also some increasing the video quality to 1000 pixel or at 6 seconds. You can increase the duration of the video, and then we equally can export it as MP4 video or as GIF file. So we're exporting, let's click export. So you can now choose to either link to Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter. So you click more. You also export it to your file manager. So you can see the video just created. Now you can see the river is moving. So just like that is how you can use it to create, use your teammate to create a video. It's just a sample video, can be better than this. Thank you for watching.